Perks at staying at the Contemporary. And if you could see, the windows are tinted, but they have like dividers in there dividing the parties to social distance while on the monorail. Please stand clear of the doors. It's monorail green.
Well, it's not lined down.
Where did you guys stop?
They wrapped the seats too.
Where did they stop? Oh, the
We're at the Polynesian this morning for some breakfast. This resort is really nice. We're grabbing some breakfast from Captain Cook's. So we came to Captain Cook's because we wanted to try the, Tonga? Is it Tonga Toast? Is that what it's called?
Tonga Toast.
Since they sell it here for about $10 and then at Kona Cafe it's like $20. So, and then they give you these like to-go boxes because they're not doing plates, like everything's to go. But they also have like the seating area, so it's like, why can't we have plates? But yeah, I think I got the toast with some potatoes. What side did you get?
Sausage.
And how did you like the toast so far?
Really good. Top is good.
So yeah, I don't know what, like, if you lift it, you can see there's like some kind of filling under there.
Banana.
Oh, I hate bananas. Okay, let's try it. We came to admire the glory of the Polynesian pool, and I came to admire something else. Wow. So we're just walking around the Polynesian, and we ended up coming to their beach, kind of accidentally, like I didn't know it was here. But we have a nice view of Cinderella's castle, and we also have these nice over-the-water bungalows here at the Poly. They have these nice chairs. This is a nice spot to watch Happily Ever After if you're staying at the Polynesian. I'm sure if you are not and you're in the area, you can also come and sit here, but I'm sure it probably gets a little crowded. And Ryan has found a nice little swing bench in the shade. But this, I believe, is like the Bora Bora section. So each section of the Polynesian is named after an island in the Polynesia area. Ooh, the sand is soft. You heard, babe? The sand is like really soft. So we just came back from walking around outside and we came across Trader Sam's Grotto, and it's cool. It's like hidden. Like, here's this hallway, there's Captain Cook's, and you come down this hallway, here's the grotto, and then you go outside. But the door is like hidden, and I guess it's like a bar because it says after 8 o'clock, guests who are 21 and up can come inside. And then all guests are allowed to come in before 8 p.m. and it opens at 3. So that's really cool.
There you go.
I spat with my little eye. Hidden Mickeys everywhere. I mean, oh look, there's like a whole bunch right there.
Recording?
Yeah. Okay. We're waiting for the monorail now.
Yep.
We're done exploring the Poly.
Yep.
Which was a beautiful resort.
It was.
Did you like breakfast?
I did.
Like,
yes, the Tonga Toast was very good.
And not $20 at Kona Cafe. It was $10 at Captain Cook's. So And now we're waiting for the monorail. We're going over to Epcot. It's 11:08. Epcot opened at 11. So we'll see you guys there. Remember when I said that we were catching the monorail? We're back. Monorail's not running to Epcot, so we literally went all the way around to get back to the TTC for them to tell us that we have to come to the Poly to catch a bus. Look at this little like river. Wow.
Wow.
So pretty. And here's the entrance to the Poly. Oh, look, it's even prettier over here. We have the whole bus to ourselves. If we were sitting in the back, we'd be like king of the bus. On our way to Epcot. Woo! So Disney literally just changed the face coverings. Now you can't have any valves, mesh, or holes. And I believe this was done like yesterday, and they already have the signs out. So we've arrived at Epcot, and we are going to go get our temperatures checked for the 3rd time today because they checked them before we got on the monorail twice. So now we're here about to get it checked at Epcot. Spaceship Earth is a beauty as always. All right, I see Spaceship Earth, a 5-minute wait right now. Is that where we're headed?
Yep.
All right, let's go. Let's go thank the Phoenicians.
A sort of paper. Papyrus in turn creates better record keeping, plans, designs, and unfortunately taxes. But it also brings with it the dawn of great civilizations. At this point, each civilization has its own form of writing, which none of the others can understand. But the Phoenicians, who trade with all of them, have a solution. They create a simple common alphabet. In 1450, Gutenberg invents the movable type printing press. Now knowledge can travel as fast as these new books, and travel they do.
There's walls currently up everywhere at Epcot. These are nice walls to take pictures on. You know what that means? I hear Test Track. I see Mission Space. I see a wall of Incredibles. Maybe it's Guardian of the Galaxy, so I see like a sign that says Guardian of the Galaxy over
We're
there.
at the building out here.
Yeah. Yeah, it is here. There's walls just all around. Like, I'm kind of sad with how Epcot is looking right now. Time to head on this beauty. Stand by. Standby time says 30 minutes. But who knows? Ryan's gonna time it like he always does. Once again at Epcot, we're in line for Test Track, and they have the social distancing markers as well as the plexiglass to divide your party and the people ahead of you. I know, this is the create your vehicle section at Test Track. And we won't be making it today. All right, we're here, and what's the time on your watch? 17 minutes. We also get a whole car to ourselves, since obviously another party can't be here. But if you have a lot of people in your party, you'll be put together. But since it's just me and Ryan, we're gonna get the whole car to ourselves.
Plunging weather and surface conditions.
Monitoring road surface. Connecting to OnStar. SIM car performance data acquired.
Oh my god!
Let's see how your designs hold up now.
Watch your back.
Commencing SIM car off-road and extreme weather sequence.
Hold on to your camera, babe.
I got it. This would where we would show our cars.
Capability test results displayed
had
and
any.
verified.
Now let's see how your vehicles compare when it comes to their efficiency.
What?
Watch your back.
I know, it's not gonna go anywhere.
Scanning SIM car for optimal eco efficiency. Engaging EcoScan for aerodynamic efficiency. Drive systems analysis. Hyperspectral imaging in progress. Calculating total enviro impact. Automated crash avoidance technology disengaged. Displaying responsiveness data.
Here it comes.
Here comes the final test.
Here it comes.
Energizing for power test.
You said it. I was waiting for you to say it. Third time in a row.
My hair?
Yeah. Every time we ride this and we get here, you're like, my hair.
So normally at the end of Test Track, they have all these like little games that you can play. But of course, everything is blocked off because they are trying to prevent the spread of COVID-19. So we just got off of Test Track that was posted at a 30-minute wait, but it was less than 20. I think it was like 17. We're headed now to Mission Space. There's like nobody over here either. Like it's super empty. See? Nobody here.
15-minute wait.
15?
That's what it says.
Oh, for orange.
Yeah. We time it again.
Alright, let's go to Mars.
Let's do it.
So the wait was posted at 15, but there's nobody here, nobody near me. Don't even have to go this way. I've lost Ryan. It's literally walk on. Hi. So instead of standing on the actual numbers where you normally would stand, they have these socially distanced numbers instead that your party will stand on. Obviously, if you have a bigger party, you're most likely going to be split up since there's only 4 to the little space shuttle anyway. There's nobody else in here. They also have some like relaxation centers throughout the park, well, relaxation stations, and you're able to go in there and take your mask off. And they also have like the tables spread out for social distancing purposes, but these are the only areas you're allowed to take your mask off in the park. Other times you can take them off if you're eating and drinking, but you need to be stationary. We're off to where? Figment?
Mouse gear.
Oh, okay. You want to go on Mouse Gear? All right. I think this is really nice. It kind of looks like a crop top or something, but we're snagging it. I don't think I've ever seen these ears before. These are cute. Just don't know if I like them enough. These are nice too. I think they're like China inspired ears. Yeah, I think, oh, there's a fan on the back. Can you see that? They created merch like specifically for the reopening, so they have these Together Again shirts. It is nice. You know? But I feel like I'm more of a Disney State of Mind person.
It's going right.
Ooh, it's going to rain. Ryan's got the ponchos and the raincoats out already. We're headed over to the World Showcase now. So it's currently food and wine here at Epcot, which isn't usual. Normally food and wine is like it starts at the end of August. So we're here at Epcot going to enjoy everything that food and wine has to offer. It's about to start to rain. The sky's looking pretty dark over the World Showcase, but you know, we're still gonna, you know, suck it up and just put our ponchos on, put our raincoats on, and start eating all the delicious food that food and wine has to offer. Some of the booths are not opening until later into the food and wine festival, some opening at like towards the end of summer, so really like next month. But right now we're gonna start in Mexico and then work our way around, and we'll definitely show you guys like some of the stuff that we're eating. Once it starts raining, I'm gonna keep my camera away, obviously, so I'll try to show as much as possible. But we are in for some delicious treats today.